In today's video, I'll show you how to show the battery percentage on your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. You can tap on the battery icon in the top right of the home screen to show it temporarily, but to turn it on permanently, head to the System Settings app on the Switch 2 home screen, and then scroll down until you are in the section called System, which should be at the bottom. Within here, scroll down again until you see the option called Console Battery Percentage, and you can use the toggle switch here to turn this on. Now if you head back to the home screen, you'll see the battery percentage next to the battery icon in the top right. That's how to show the battery percentage on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.